Hey there, cosmonauts! May is heating up faster than a rocket engine, and we're here to guide you through the latest twists and turns in the crypto cosmos. From the launch of the new decentralized applications to the latest developments in interoperability protocols, there's never a dull moment in this celestial playground. Join us as we dive into the latest happenings and cosmic revelations from the Cosmos ecosystem. Cosmos Hub and Consumer Chains. Cosmos introduces Hydro, a bidding platform for deploying liquidity. Accelerator DAO announced his first venture grant to Elys Network. Picasso Network has deployed Solana IBC to the mainnet. Namada, the community sentiment to reinstate the Uptime mission strengthens. Dydx v4. Dydx introduces isolated markets and margin trading, while Anchorage Digital adds support for native Dydx staking. Osmosis, a V25 upgrade introduces 1.3 million Osmo burning, top of block auction system, and more. Kujira, Sonar Wallet adds seamless USDC transfers to Kujira. Celestia, Lazy Ledger celebrated 5-year anniversary of the modular movement, and Celestia delegation program cohort 2 is now open. Say Pacific 1 is getting a V2 update with a 3-phase rollout. Persistence, SDK XPRT is now live on Persistence with 50,000 tokens up for grabs. Also, WBTC is debuting on Persistence 1. Scrt Network launches confidential computing integration with Lisk, Etherlink, and Metis. Akash streamlines zero-cost chat API and Console 2.0 for seamless cloud deployment. Do not miss the Akash Accelerator 24 event. Other ecosystem news, Atom DVPN development, all this and much more. Let's dive in and unpack the biggest news within Cosmos. Atom Wars, introducing the Hydro auction platform. Cosmos introduces Hydro, a bidding and governance platform for the efficient deployment of liquidity across the interchain. This addresses the biggest challenge in the Cosmos ecosystem, token liquidity. With Hydro, parties can bid for Atom liquidity, benefiting all Atom holders. It is also designed to allow other community pools to participate and contribute liquidity into buckets. Hydro v3 will include performance incentives for voters and the H Atom governance layer. The Hydro smart contracts are awaiting a third-party audit. After the audit, a governance proposal will be submitted to Cosmos Hub's on-chain governance. Toki Finance ZK IBC update. Toki Finance is accelerating ZK IBC development with ZKVM approaches to reduce implementation costs. This enhances IBC protocol security through TEE and MPC in a multi-prover module. While the initial adoption will focus on Ethereum and Cosmos app chains, Toki plans to extend support to other blockchains like BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon. Picasso Network has successfully deployed Solana IBC to the mainnet. Users can now transfer various assets including SOL, MSOL, WSOL, and USDT between Solana and Cosmos via IBC. Additionally, awards for Mantis game Season 1 will be distributed soon. For more details, visit the Medium article included below. Cosmos Hub ICA Controller. The Cosmos Hub has introduced the Interchain Account, or ICA Controller, enabling DAOs to perform cross-chain actions such as buying, inscriptions, creating collections or tokens, and more. It also enables independent blockchains to hold LP positions, royalty stake tokens, and manage other chains. Scrt Network created a 4th version of ICA to administer crypto accounts privately. TimeWave Labs also suggested employing ICAs to eliminate Cosmos Hub multi-signatures, demonstrating the ICA controls adaptability and security. Cosmos Hub first venture grant. Elys Network through the Atom Accelerator DAO, or AA DAO, Cosmos Hub has announced its first venture grant to Elys Network. Atom Accelerator DAO aims to invest in early-stage projects, driving value back to the Cosmos Hub community pool. Elys Network will be the first all-in-one DeFi app chain using interchain security, leveraging the Cosmos Hub's economic security and validator set. Through the grant, the community pool received a substantial amount of Elys tokens, alongside potential airdrops for Atom holders and stakers. Moreover, Atom will be the default gas token for Elys DeFi app, ensuring the value accrual of Atom token. Namada community calls for reinstallment of Uptime mission in Shula exhibition event. The community response, led by Cosmic Validator, Chainflow, and others, addresses the recent announcement on the Namada forum dated May 16th regarding removing the Uptime category from the Shula expedition event. High uptime ensures that the Namada network remains secure and resilient against attacks. Validators with low uptime can compromise network security and overall performance. This is why Cosmic Validator pushes for the reinstatement of uptime mission. The Namada Shooter expedition is incentivized a test set engaging validators, pilots, and users, crew members, to test the Namada protocol before its mainnet launch rigorously. Anchorage Digital adds support for native Dydx staking. Institutional crypto platform Anchorage Digital has announced support for native Dydx staking. Institutions can now stake Dydx from secure custody at Anchorage Digital and earn rewards distributed in USDC. Dydx introduces isolated markets and margin trading for enhanced risk management. Dydx introduced isolated markets and isolated margin trading to its trading suite. This allows users to trade each market independently, maintaining separate collateral and margin requirements for each market. This feature also enhances risk management by isolating exposure, ensuring that losses in one market do not affect the user's overall account or other positions. These updates aim to provide more flexibility and control over trading strategies. Slinky integration coming to Dydx chain. The upcoming v5.0.0 chain upgrade for Dydx will introduce Slinky, featuring block-by-block Oracle updates with unprecedented low latency prices. This upgrade will initially enable the rapid listing of over 800 new markets, with potential expansion to thousands more. Price updates will be directly retrieved by Dydx validators, ensuring secure and swift data integration. Slinky also projects a decentralized live Oracle management system to maintain data quality. Dydx Ecosystem Development Program announces new grants. The Dydx Ecosystem Development Program has announced several new grants. These include funding for integrating Scrt protocol's Slinky sidecar, which will support a new price Oracle mechanism and permissionless market listing system. Additionally, Xenophone Labs will research LP Vault's functionality, deploying capital to test delta-neutral market-making strategies. 2 sets of grants will support dedicated Solana RPC nodes, enhancing price discovery. Osmosis V25 upgrade. The Osmosis V25 upgrade introduces several key features, including burning 1.3 million Osmo tokens, adding smart accounts for enhanced usability and security, consensus improvements with an EIP of 1,559 style gas market, and reducing the target block time to 2.5 seconds. The upgrade also introduces a new top-of-block auction system for efficient transaction prioritization. Over the past few months, Osmosis has seen a significant increase in trading volume, enhanced liquidity, and steady growth in user activity. For more details, visit the full GURS proposal included below. Sonar Wallet update, CCTP integration. Sonar Wallet now supports Cross-Chain Transfer Protocol, or CCTP, via Scrt Protocol API, enabling seamless transfer of USDC to Kujira from Solana and other supported Circle chains. This update eliminates the confirm step, simplifying the process for users and significantly improving the UX. Entropic Labs joins Unstake.fi. Entropic Labs has joined the Unstake.fi as a core contributor and protocol steward, collaborating with the Kujira team. This partnership will enhance Unstake.fi with expanded asset support, comprehensive analytics, dashboards, and STK staking, and protocol efficiency upgrades. Entropic Labs also plans to launch Unstake DAO using DAO fostering community-driven development. New Kujira listing. Onboard to Kujira with Kado. Kujira is now listed on Kado, allowing users to onboard in minutes using various payment methods, including Visa, Apple Pay, SEPA, and more. For a limited time, there are no processing or network fees. This provides a seamless and cost-effective way to access Kujira. 5 years of Lazy Ledger. The Lazy Ledger white paper was published 5 years ago, marking the birth of the modern movement in blockchain technology. The Lazy Ledger introduces a novel approach by optimizing blockchains for transaction data availability, shifting execution and validation responsibilities to clients interested in specific transactions. This design enhances scalability and efficiency, focusing the core ledger system on ordering and ensuring data availability. Celestia Foundation Delegation Program Cohort 2 now open. The Celestia Foundation has opened applications for its delegation program Cohort 2. Validators from Cohort 1 must reapply, especially those in third place. New applicants can also apply undergoing a KYC process. Cohort 2 offers 15 seats for a 12-month delegation period, provided they adhere to foundation voting guidelines. The application process previously set to open on June 1st started early on May 21st, potentially affecting some validators' eligibility. For more details and to apply, click the link below. Say V2 launch. Governance approval process begins. Say Pacific 1 is getting a V2 update and is ready for mainnet adoption. Say V2 introduces a parallelized EVM upgrade to the Say blockchain through a 3-phase rollout: governance, alpha launch, and V2 ready. This phase approach minimizes risk, sets expectations, and optimizes performance, ensuring a scalable network. You can track the governance progress in the link included in the description below. STK XPRT, Enhancing Persistence 1 Ecosystem P-Stake Finance, and Dexter introduce STK XPRT, the liquid staked version of XPRT token. STK XPRT enhances liquidity by allowing staked XPRT to be used in DeFi without unbonding. It expands P-Stake's liquid stake token suite, boosts decentralization with fair validator distribution, and improves capital efficiency by maximizing yields and reducing the need for high inflation rates. The Persistence 1 ecosystem has introduced 50,000 STK XPRT incentives on Dexter to kickstart the liquidity influx. For more details, visit Dexter, link included below. WBTC integration into the Persistence 1 ecosystem. Persistence 1 is integrating WBTC, the wrapped version of Bitcoin, into its ecosystem, starting with a liquidity pool paired with XPRT on Dexter. This move aims to enhance liquidity, attract new users, and generate more on-chain activity. This integration aligns Persistence 1 closer to the Bitcoin community and is expected to significantly benefit the Persistence 1 ecosystem's growth and functionality. Scrt Network integrates confidential computing with Lisk. Scrt Network has integrated its confidential computing layer with Lisk, enhancing Lisk dApps with new capabilities such as private voting, encrypted storage, secure random number generation, and confidential data access control. Scrt Network integrates confidential computing with Etherlink. Scrt Network has integrated its confidential computing layer with Etherlink, a Layer 2 EVM solution powered by Tesla's smart rollups. Etherlink, a non-custodial and EVM-compatible blockchain, benefits from Scrt decentralized confidential computing tools. Scrt Network integrates confidential computing with Metis. Scrt Network has integrated its confidential computing layer with Metis, a Layer 2 Ethereum rollup platform. This partnership brings new capabilities to Metis dApps, including private voting, encrypted storage, secure random number generation, and more. Akash Console 2.0 launched. Akash is fully integrated CloudMost deploy into Akash Console, offering an improved platform for deploying one-click templates, creating custom deployments, and viewing provider status. This makes Akash Console the best place for seamless cloud deployment. Get started with Akash Console 2.0 today at Akash Console. The link is included in the description. Akash Accelerator 24 joined over 1,000 attendees. More than 1,000 people have registered for Akash Accelerator 24, said to be a remarkable event for the brightest minds in decentralized AI. For more information about the event and to register, visit Akash Accelerator 2024 website via the link included below. Introducing the Akash Chat API. The Akash Chat API, powered by Llama 3 and Akash GPUs, offers zero-cost interference with funding from Akash. The public beta starts today, allowing select developers early access. After the beta, the API will be open and permissionless for all users. To apply for the beta, join the Akash Discord, navigate to the Akash Chat API channel, and introduce yourself and your intended API use. Stay tuned for full access in the coming weeks. Sential is developing a decentralized VPN, or DVPN, that uses Cosmos, Atom, amongst other tokens, for IBC-enabled payments. Sential seeks community input on designs and branding to enhance the retail dApp. Former deputy of Sam Bankman-Fried, Ryan Salem, jailed for 7 years. Ryan Salem, the co-CEO of FTX's Bahamian subsidiary, was sentenced to 90 months in prison due to U.S. federal prosecutors. Salem pleaded guilty last September to violating political campaign finance laws and operating an illegal money transmitting business. Salem is believed to be a close associate of former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, who was sentenced to 25 years in prison in March this year after a high-profile trial, according to BTC Echo. In September, he pleaded guilty to making tens of millions of US dollars in illegal campaign contributions. This was done to further the legislative goals of FTX and Bankman-Fried. According to the US government, the then CEO of an FTX subsidiary in the Bahamas helped pump more than $100 million in illegal contributions into the US political system. Implementation of Automatic Exchange of Information, AEOI, for crypto assets. The Swiss Bundesrat plans to extend the Automatic Exchange of Information, AEOI, to include crypto assets by January of 2026. This move aligns with the OECD's new Crypto Asset Reporting Framework, or CARF, requiring Swiss financial institutions and banks to report crypto transactions involving foreign clients. Banks and crypto service providers must adapt to ensure compliance and maintain Switzerland's tax transparency and financial credibility. The implementation will follow parliamentary approval and is expected to enter into force by January of 2026. U.S. passes cryptocurrency bill. The U.S. House of Representatives passed the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, which creates a new regulatory framework for digital currencies. Despite bipartisan support, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler warned that the bill could create regulatory gaps and undermine investor protections by exempting blockchain recorded investment contracts from being considered securities. These legislative moves come as the SEC is expected to approve applications for spot Ether ETFs, signaling increased support for the cryptocurrency industry. Thanks for joining us on this Cosmic Crypto journey. If you enjoyed blasting through the latest updates from the Cosmic ecosystem, don't forget to give us a cosmic thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more out of this world content. Until next time, keep exploring the crypto cosmos and let your investments reach for the stars.